everyone. So I want to continue the Holiday Foxtrot today. I'm gonna use this like burgundy color on my lid. So I tried some of the new Wet n Wild for their core line. And they have like this new like tint, face tint, and then they have like this gold shimmer that's supposed to be used under the makeup, just like Physicians Formula. I can't use face tints. It does not. I have too much red in my skin. It really doesn't do coverage. Well, it really doesn't do good coverage for me. Now I'm going to use this dark green color. So I'm going to probably put up... Whoa, that is dark. I'm going to probably put up the... which I meant to do earlier this week, but I didn't have a chance. The new stuff, because unfortunately, like, not all of their stuff is in stores, and at least around me, a lot of the stores have not done the resets. HEB was one of the first ones to do it, and but not all the products were there. Walmart still hasn't done their resets. I know Walgreens must have had a display, because when I went there in December, they had like only one or two of a couple of items there. And you know, and Wet n Wild didn't put up their new stuff. Like that's how I knew all the stuff, because they put it up on their website like the first week of February. Well, I got something to tell you about that. Anyway, so you know, I'm just gonna put black line and mascara. Let me finish my makeup and I'll come back. But yeah. So CVS, I think also in February did their resets. So I think Walgreens was, I think, in probably the first week in January, early January, and then CVS was either late January, early February, and then Wet n Wild themselves put it up the beginning of February, and HEB did theirs like mid-February. But I have been to Walmart several times, and they still have not done their resets. Most likely, they will have everything as well. Alright, I want to put this gold on the inner corners. Wow. That's intense, that green. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I tried this, you could use on your lips too, but I tried this as the blush. I did berry on the lips, their new berry, and their new lip liner. I put this on the bottom line, and I didn't show you before, but I put this as the highlighter and accidentally got some of the gold in it, but I put the gold on the bottom and the corners as well. So I also used the white, their new white multi-stick on the lid. Yeah, I think that's it of their new stuff, besides their their new like under the skin luminizer. I did try that. It was fine. So yeah, that is everything that I did with the new Wet n Wild. Also, I'm going to be showing you more pictures of stuff I found, but Black Radiance released a couple of things. I just wanted to give you a side note that this is not a lip balm. This is a soft matte There's nothing lip balm about this, but this is from Black Radiance, their new lip balm. I took some pictures and everything, and I'll be showing that. And last time, I've already used all like the Physicians Formula new core line. I just have to say that this one, it's a bronze mascara. I wasn't going to get it, but I decided to get it. And it irritated my eyes. I think I can like maybe wear it over a black, but like directly to my eyelash, I couldn't. It irritated my eyes so much. This is their new Physicians Formula, their new bronzing mascara.